Hello, welcome back to my channel. And you guys, today I have the quickest, easiest little video for you guys. So I get quite a few questions on how I do my eyebrows, so yeah, I'll just show you how to do that. There's really nothing much to say because it is such a quick little video, so we will just jump into it. Similar. So I just take a little setting spray and I will wet my brows and then I will kind of brush them. So I honestly just got this off of Amazon. It's this little soap styler. A lot of the times, if you conceal your brows first, you'll be able to see exactly what it is that you need to fill in. I've been using my MAC Studio Fix Concealer in NC45. I'm going to use is my brow styler from Benefit in the color number 5, and I'm going to just create kind of a very soft line at the bottom, start to fill in the tail, and then go in softly throughout the rest of the brow. Same thing over here. This one needs a little bit more work because my brow's like super spacey over here. But for some reason, this one just seems, majority of the time, easier to just kind of fill in. You see what I mean? Like it takes like 2 seconds. Then I'll go in with like a little pencil. This is the Milani one. And anywhere I have little gaps, I will just fill it in with little hair strokes. Perfect, so it's literally as easy as that. Like that's how I do my brows. So the main takeaways I would say is just figure out how much you really do and don't need to fill in. Obviously, if you have less brow than me, I would suggest using probably like a pomade of some sort because you will have more product to last you longer because you are creating a whole brow like every single time. Whatever you do, if you get a good shape in there, it kind of gives you a good guideline. So then you're able to just kind of whack on some products and you will be good to go. So if you like this video and you like these little videos, the basics and the tips and tricks, let me know in the comments. Give me a thumbs up and I will see you in the next video.